Are the airlines screwing you with carry-on fees?
Yes, Spirit and friends, we see you.
Don't get me started on checked bags. Nothing says vacation like TSA falling at your undies, lost bags, and long waits at baggage claim.
But we've got you covered. Meet CompressX Travel, a clothing compression system that actually works. Is CompressX Travel really that awesome? No, it's f***ing legendary. Your clothes before, your clothes after.
6 days in a personal item. That's a dub. And look, room for all your other dumb stuff.
Need more clothes and have to bring a carry-on. 8 more days here and boom. I don't need calculus to know, but that's 2 weeks of clothing and not a single checked bag in sight.
And your bulky stuff? Don't wear it. Compress it. Simpler than scrolling TikTok. The airlines hate us for this.
How's it work? I don't know. Could have something to do with the high tensile strength webbing or high performance thermoplastic quick release buckles.
Gate agents get paid to flag your bag. Rip to gate agent bonuses. And it pays for itself in just a single one-way flight.
You don't need a cheesy infomercial to convince you how cool these bad boys are. Or do you? Hurry. Click the link to sign up for our Kickstarter campaign and get your CompressX Travel.